If you're an immigrant living in the United States, getting a driver's license can feel confusing. I've got you. I'll break it down clearly so you know where to start. Quick note, this is for education, not legal advice. Laws change, and every state is different. Always check your state DMV. Step 1. Understand the big picture. Rules are set by states, not the federal government. What works in Florida might not work in Oregon. Some states let undocumented immigrants apply. Others require lawful status. A few issue a special driving privilege card instead of a standard license. Step 2. Check if your state allows immigrants to apply. California, New York, New Jersey, Illinois, Colorado, Washington, several others. In some places you'll need proof of lawful presence, valid visa, work permit, temporary protected status, asylum or pending asylum, green card. Best source, your state's DMV website. Search DMV plus your state name. Step 3. Gather your documents. Most states ask for proof of identity, passport, consular ID, immigration documents, proof of residency, utility bill, lease agreement, bank statement, social security number. Make sure documents are current and names match. Step 4. Study and take the tests. Written knowledge test, vision test, road test. Many DMVs offer the written test in multiple languages: Spanish, French, Creole. Grab your state's driver handbook online. Use practice tests. Book appointments early. Step 5. Know what your license can and cannot do. Many states' immigrant licenses let you drive legally. They are not federal ID. They don't grant immigration status. They don't protect you from immigration enforcement. They're about road safety, not immigration benefits. Pro tips: moving states? Check rules again. Name changes? Bring legal proof. Need language help? Ask about interpreters, translated study guides, multilingual tests. Schedule your road test as soon as you're eligible. Slots fill fast. Taking kids to school, visiting family, moving confidently in your community. The process can feel intimidating, but thousands do it every year. Start with your state DMV page. List your documents. Study smart. Take it one step at a time. Disclaimer: this is educational, not legal advice. Check your state's current rules before you apply. You've got this.